Hi friends, welcome to Global Tech Code channel. In this video, we will be explaining the concept of variable definition and the 7 built-in type in JavaScript with real-time examples. First, what is variable? A variable is a simply container for storing data values. To create a variable, we use the var keyword followed by variable name. That variable type built-in types comes under two categories. One is object type, another one is primitive type. For the two category, we have how many built-in types? There is 7 built-in types in JavaScript. Let's see what are they. What are Boolean, number, string, undefined, symbol, object, and null. The first one, we can see object type. In this object type, it's a collection of name and value pair. Let's see the syntax of this one. It contains variable name and property colon value. You can give any string, number, any data types in value. Let's see the syntax for this one. If you click inspect, you can see the console. So here we can see the output for console.log function. Now I given the variable var keyword and object1 is the variable name. Inside that I given username as a property and given value theta and also age. Let's see the result for this one. Here first console log result is welcome and next it's printed the object1. Inside that object1 username is theta and age 96. So we can print the particular property value using this user object1 dot username. If you give like this, it will print theta. You can declare multiple objects also. In this syntax, I have used object2 as a variable name. For that, I have created menu object and inside that I am creating another object. Let's see the result. So menu and menu is a property name and the given value also a object. So inside the object we are again giving breakpost as a property name and it is a value. And here also we can print the individual value using the syntax. If it's object2.breakpost, it's coming undefined. Why? Because I didn't mention this object name. Inside that menu only I am given breakfast, right? So I need to mention that object name also. This is the object types syntax. Let's see the second category, primitive type. Before see that, what is primitive type? It's a single and immutable value. Single means it's in object you can give property and value, right? But we can give multiple property and values inside the objects. And for this primitive type, you can give a one value for a variable. And also it's immutable. If you want to find one variable and value means it allocated the space for that value. That space does not change. If you are assign a new value, it will create a new space. So this is called immutable value. Let's see the Boolean data type. This is the syntax for Boolean. So here we can give value only two values, true or false. So here I am giving variable name boolean var and the value I have assigned to that variable is true. So if I print that value, it's displaying true. So if I give false, it will display the false result. Maximum we use boolean for conditions checking. The next type is undefined. Undefined means it never been defined. Variable never been defined. Let's see the example. Actually, if I give variable and variable name and if I not assign any value to that variable, it will take as a undefined one. So I'm getting the result as undefined. So if I not declare also, shall I get the same? No. I will get an error because it's that value is not declare itself, right? So you have to declare and maximum you have to define that value. The next type is null value. If you are a lot of values or for example if you are doing one project and if you are not aware about that value, maybe you will get in future means you can assign null to the variable and you can use in future like this. This is a syntax. You can give directly null to the variable and you can use it future like null equal to update value. So you can, if you print this one, you can get update value. So like this you can use in your project. The next type is number. In number, actually in JavaScript have only one numeric type. It contains it is in the double precision floating point. Okay, here no integer type and it's a subset of double value. Let's see the example. If you given a variable name and if you define any number here, it will take as a numeric type and here I'm giving decimal value, so it's displayed like the same. So for integer value you can remove that values and save it, you can see that integer values. The next type is string. Actually it's a collection of characters. So in other languages we are having unique data types like string. In JavaScript it's only if you assigned any string or text to the variable, it will take as a string data type. For example, if you declare one variable and give the value like welcome text, so it will take as a string type. And also you can use single quotes for the syntax. You can create one character only for this variable and also assign to that one. Actually, using this simple, you can avoid duplicate values and create unique property. Here, I have given object 1, object 2 and object 3. In object 3, I have combined both object 1 and object 2. So, using this get operator, let us 3 dot operator. So, it will match both objects. But if I give like this, it will take, actually this property name is same, so it will take the latest one. So I'm getting the result like Sitaram, but I need a result for both because Sita is a one person and Sitaram is another person. So I needed two values here. Then what I need to do, you can use a simple method. For that you have to use it in a square bracket and use that method symbol of. useless, it will take us a unique value all the time. If you given the same also, it will take us a unique value. So here you can see symbol of access 0, theta, and symbol. This is also it's considered. So here inside the symbol of method, you can pass number and string, anything. So name, I'm giving name. I'm doing the same thing in second method. It's also taken as a unique value. So this one and this one is also considered as a different value. So you can see the both result in one object. If you are attending the interview, if you need to write a program for all the names and repeated names, you have to decide means this concept will be useful for you. That's it, friends. In this video, we discussed about how many built-in types available in JavaScript and how to use in your code. Everything we have explained. Um, and if you are a new user, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.